Ano ang bumubuo ng Kongreso, kay Mark?
Dalawa yan. Ang Kongreso may tinatawag tayong House of Senate, may tinatawag tayong House of Representatives.
Kongreso as a whole.
Congress, isang Congress yan, but dalawa ang
Bahay.
because bicameral ang tayo. Hindi naman tayo unicameral system, we follow the bicameral system. So dalawa yung bahay po natin. House of Senate, House of Representatives. House of Senate, there are 24. Hindi 22 ha, 24 senators elected at large. Yung sa elected at large, buong Pilipinas, ini-elect yung mga senador po natin. Ang House of Representatives, approximately there are about 318 House of Representatives. They're elected by district or through party list system. So dalawa yan, party list system or distrito. That's why 318 po sila. So yun po ang buo ng House of Congress. Dalawa, House of Senate and House of Representatives.
Okay, himayin po natin. Ano pong trabaho ng Kongreso, yung lower house at ang upper house, Kuya Mark?
Ang main function nila is lawmaking. Ano yung lawmaking function? Number one, to enact statutes. Okay, yun yung pinaka-importante, enact statute. Number two, appropriate public funds. Yung budget, sa budget sa lahat ng government, they have the power to appropriate public funds. They have the power to oversight functions ng ating government or conduct investigation in aid of legislation, not in aid of election, or they have the prosecutory power. The power of congressmen or senators is they conduct investigation in aid of legislation. And yung tinatawag na they have the power to confirm appointments through commission appointment. Yung in-appoint ng ating presidente, i-confirm po nila kung qualified ba o karapat-dapat ba sa isang posisyon yung mga cabinet members. And of course, they have the power to canvass votes. Canvass votes ng presidente at vice president. So ngayong 2028 election, ang mag-canvass ng votes ng presidente at vice president, yung House of Representatives.
Ang mahirap lang, Kuya Mark, sa bicameral, dapat ang bersyon mo sa House of Representatives may kaakibat na bersyon sa Senado. Paano
Yes.
naman kung walang ganon yung bill mo? Wala kang sponsor sa Senate.
Yun mahina. Matutulog yung proposal mo kasi kailangan yung decision mo sa lower house, yung proposal mo, may partner ka doon sa upper house para i-enforce yung or i-introduce yung bill mo. Otherwise, kung may conflict naman yung mga version, may tinatawag tayong bicameral committee.
Yan yung mahirap. Kasi kung ikaw ay nagsusulo ng panukala, pag wala kang partner sa Senado, wala rin.
Wala din. So, kailangan talaga na may partner ka sa Senado. And dapat yung mga ini-introduce mo ng mga bills, kailangan may basis, may logic. Hindi yung gumagawa ka lang ng batas para lang mapasikat. Hindi. Kailangan may logic, may philosophy behind it na makakabuti sa taong bayan.
Okay.